Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you how to create your online store using Wix. Wix is a powerful website builder that makes it easy to create a professional looking e-commerce site without any coding experience. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the basics of setting up your store. We'll go over how to update your site type, connect your custom domain, set up payments, add products, choose a shipping method, design your store, and lastly, optimize it for SEO. So let's get started. Alright, if you're not already familiar with Wix, let me give you a brief overview. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows you to create HTML5 websites and mobile sites through the use of online drag and drop tools. It's perfect for beginners who want to build a website but don't have any coding skills. With Wix, you can pick from tons of templates, customize them to match your brand, and add extra features through the Wix app market. Plus, if you're building an online store, Wix has everything you need, like tools to manage products, process payments, and handle shipping. It's super easy to use. Alright, let's set up your online store using Wix. First, you need a Wix account. If you don't already have one, no worries, just head over to wix.com and sign up for free. It's super quick and easy. Once signed up for a new account, you'll land on the Sites dashboard. This is where you'll find all your current sites and folders. From here, you can also create a new site or folder. Since we're building an online store, we'll click the Create New Site button to get started. When you click it, a tab opens. On this tab, you'll see two options: Start Chat, where Wix's AI helps create a custom site for you, or Set Up Without Chat, where you can do it all manually. Let's pick the first option, Start Chat. Once you click it, Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, asks a few simple questions about your business and the kind of store that you want. The AI starts by asking me what my site is about. I'll type in, I want to create an online store. It then asks me the name of my store, so I go with Shoppies. Next, it wants to know what kind of products I'll be selling. I'll type trendy fashion, electronics, home essentials, beauty products, and everyday must-haves. After that, it asks about my goals. So I'll reply like, I want to reach $50,000 plus in monthly sales, build a loyal customer base, expand my product range, and improve engagement through marketing and great service. So it's asking me more questions, but I'll end this conversation. To do this, let's click the End Chat and Continue button. Next, Wix ADI will start setting up your store's dashboard. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the store dashboard, where there's a simple checklist to help you finish setting up your store. The first step is to connect a custom domain. If you already have one, you can link it here. If not, you could buy one directly from Wix. By the way, Wix will automatically suggest a domain for you. To get started, click the Let's Go button next to the domain. After that, the button changes to Make It Yours. Click it and you'll move to the next page. On this page, you'll see an option to buy a domain. Select Buy Domain Only and click the Continue button. Next, you'll be taken to the registration page. Choose how long you want the domain for, let's say 1 year, and click Continue again. Now, on the next page, fill in your contact details like full name, phone number, email, and address. Once done, hit Continue again to move forward. After that, pick your privacy and registration option and click Continue again. Finally, provide your payment details and click the Submit Purchase button to complete the process. And that's it. You've bought your domain. Now, if you don't want to buy a domain, that's totally fine too. Wix offers a free domain based on your email address. This is a good option if you're just testing things out and seeing how it works. Since we're not buying a domain right now, we'll use the free domain for this tutorial. So let's go back to the setup page and continue from there. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Once you've set up your domain, the next step is to add your payment methods. Wix makes this easy with options like credit cards, PayPal, and offline payments. To get started, just click the Set Up Payments button. From there, you'll be taken to the settings page where you can add the payment methods available in your country. It's a simple process and you'll be ready to go in no time. After setting up your payment methods, it's time to add products to your Wix store. Just click on Add Products and it will take you to the product management page. Here, you'll see any products you already have. To add a new one, just hit the New Product button. Wix gives you two choices, physical product or digital file. For this demo, we're adding physical items, so go ahead and select physical product. You're now on the product creation page. This is where you can add all the details about your product. First, give your product a name. just click on Untitled Product and type in your product name. For example, let's call it Demo Product. Next, you'll see the Images and Videos section. Here, you can upload clear, high-quality images and videos of your product. To add an image, click the Add Images button, then pick a file from the site or upload one from your computer. It's that simple. Below that, you'll see the Product Info section. This is where you type in the product's name. Make it clear and easy to understand so customers know exactly what it is. You can also add a ribbon, a little label like New Arrival or Bestseller to make certain products stand out. Then there's the description box. This is where you share details about the product, like its features, materials, benefits, or anything special about it. If you're stuck on what to write, you can use Wix's Generate AI text tool to give you some ideas. Further down, there's an additional info section. Here, you can include extra details like return policies, care instructions, or anything else that might help customers. This makes it easier for them to trust your product and feel confident about their purchase. Next, you'll set up the pricing for your product. Just put in the selling price, and if you want to offer a discount, turn on the on sale option. You can also use the show price per unit option if you're selling things in bulk. Wix even lets you add your cost of goods so you can calculate your profit and margin. It's super useful to see how much you're making. If your product can be personalized, you could turn on the custom text field. This lets customers add things like a name or a special message to their order. For products that come in different options like size, color, or material, head to the product options section. Just click add options to set up all the variations so shoppers can easily pick the one that they want. In the inventory and shipping section, you could choose to track inventory to easily keep an eye on your stock levels. Add the SKU, your stock keeping unit, for internal tracking, and if your product needs shipping, make sure to include the shipping weight. If the product is available, set the status to in stock. If it's not available yet or is sold out, just update the status accordingly. If you want to sell a product before it's officially launched, turn on the pre-order option. This way, customers can buy the item in advance and secure their order before the release date. Wix also offers a subscriptions option. This is great if you sell products people might need regularly, like skincare, supplements, or food. You can create a subscription plan so customers can get automatic deliveries at set intervals. Once you've added all the details, hit save and your product will be live in your online store. Once you've added your products, it's time to set up the shipping and delivery. For physical products, you'll need to add shipping regions, costs, and delivery times. If you're selling digital products, you can set up instant downloads so customers get their files right away. First, click the Set Up Shipping button. This will take you to the shipping, delivery, and fulfillment page. Here, you can add shipping options for both domestic and international orders. You can also manage fulfillment services on this page. Just click the Manage Fulfillment Services option to handle those details. When you're done adding the shipping info, head back to the setup page to continue. Alright, now let's design the store. First, click the Design Site button and it'll open a new tab. Here, you've got two choices. You can let AI create a design for you, or you can customize a template. If you're not ready to design yet, you can just select Continue with Setup for now and move on. For this demo though, we'll go with Customize a Template. So click the Pick a Template button. This will open the template library where you'll find lots of professionally designed templates to choose from. You can browse by category, use the search bar, and even preview templates before making your choice. Since we're building a store, we'll search for the keyword store to filter all the store templates. Once the options show up, pick the second template called supermarket. Just hover over it and click the edit button when it pops up. As soon as you click, you'll be taken to the Wix website builder where you can start customizing the template however you like. Now, let me walk you through the website builder so you exactly know how to customize the store. Once you have selected the supermarket template and clicked on the edit button, you'll be taken to the Wix website builder where you can fully customize your store to match your brand identity and business goals. Now let's start to customize the template. At the top of your website, you'll see the navigation bar. This is where you'll find links to pages like home, deals, food, beverages, household, and personal care. To make changes, just click on the navigation bar. A settings panel will pop up, and from there you can rename, remove, or add new menu items. If you want to include a custom category, head to the pages and menu option on the left panel. You can add a new page or even link to an external one. Next, you'll notice the logo sitting on the left side of the navigation bar. You can change it by clicking on it, which lets you upload your own business logo. If you don't have one yet, Wix has a simple logo making tool that you can use just to create one right away. Just make sure the logo matches your brand style and fits your business theme. Next up, we have the main banner. This main banner is the first thing people see when they visit your store. It's made up of a headline, a subheadline, a background image, and a call to action button. To edit the text, just click on it. Text editor will pop up and you can type your own words, change the font, adjust the size, or even pick a new color. For the background image, click on the banner and you'll see an option to swap it out with your own image. If you don't have one, Wix has a bunch of royalty-free images you can use. The Start Shopping button can also be customized. Just click on it to change the text, color, size, or even link it to a certain page, like your product listings or a deal section. Super simple. As you scroll down, you'll come across the best grocery deals section. Here, you'll see featured products with an image, name, price, and an easy add to cart button. If you want to make changes, just click on a product to swap it out with one of your own. You can also adjust the layout to show more or fewer products in each row. If you go further down, you can customize every section the way you want. I've shown you the basics, and you can use the same method to adjust every single detail of this template and make it exactly how you envision. Now, let's take a look at the left-hand menu in the Wix editor. This is where you'll find all the tools you'll need to make changes to your store. First, there's the Add Elements option, which lets you add things like text, buttons, images, videos, or forms to your site. Then there's the Add Section option. This is great for adding bigger sections like testimonials, featured products, or a contact form. Next, you've got the Pages and Menu section. This is where you can organize and manage your site's navigation. If you want to change the overall look of your site, head to the Site Design option. Here you can update fonts, colors, and themes. If you need extra features, the Add Apps option lets you integrate your site with third-party apps. You can add tools like live chat, email marketing, or social media integrations. The My Business section is all about managing business-related stuff like store policies and orders. Your uploaded images and videos are kept in the Media section, so it's easy to find and use them. Lastly, there's the CMS, which is perfect for handling dynamic content like blogs or automated product listings. Everything you need is right there to make your site just the way you want it. At the top of the editor, you'll see different menu sections to help you run your store smoothly. The Site section is where you'll find settings for connecting your domain and making general adjustments. The Settings menu lets you manage things like SEO, social sharing, and your business details. If you're looking to customize your site with advanced features, the Dev Mode section is there for adding your own code. If you need extra help with your store's design or setup, the Hire a Professional option connects you with Wix experts. And if you ever get stuck, the Help section has tutorials and guides to walk you through everything. Once you're happy with all the changes, it's time to save, preview, and publish your store. First, click the Save button to make sure all your changes are stored in your Wix account. Then, if you want to see what your store looks like to visitors, hit the Preview button. This will show you a real-time view of your website without the editing tools. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish to make your store live. After you hit Publish, a pop-up will show you the free domain Wix is assigned to your store. This domain is based on the email address you signed up with. To take a look at your new store, just click the View Store button in the pop-up and you'll be directed to your live Wix store. After you've set up your store and it's live, the next step is to make sure people can find it online. This means adding things like SEO titles, descriptions, and keywords. These help your store appear in search results so more people can discover it. To get started, go to the Setup tab and click the Get Started button next to the Get Found on Google. This will take you to the SEO Setup checklist page. From there, just click Get Started again and follow the steps to set up SEO for your store. It's quick and makes a big difference. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Today we have covered how to update your site, connect your domain, configure payments, add products, set up shipping, design your store, and optimize it for SEO. This step-by-step process shows how easy it is to build a professional online store without any coding skills. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.